the memorandum of understanding.
This gathering will give Ugandans hope that somewhere there are people who are seated around you, Mr. President, to talk about Uganda and its future.
I would try to do everything in my power that we can emerge stronger, more united, even if we go through a difficult election process.
It is our expectation that you will lead the way in ensuring a peaceful election.
We believe that the challenges afflicting this nation can be comprehensively addressed through dialogue, through discussion, through consensus.
Patriotism, love Uganda. Why? Because you need it for your own good. Secondly, Pan-Africanism, love Africa. Thirdly, socio-economic transformation. We cannot go on with the pre-capitalist societies, traditional societies, and we think that we shall manage to survive in the future. And finally, democracy. We think with these four, we shall succeed, and we have been able to move as we have seen.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.